Hey guys, unfortunately my camera did not record me painting myself entirely blue, so just know that I used the Snazaroo Turquoise face paint all over my body and my face. Next, I'm going to use the Dead White Face Powder. That's exactly what it is. It's just a white face powder to highlight most of my face. I'm going to use it on my jawline, underneath my eyes, on my upper lip, and then on my brow bone, my eyebrows, and my eyelid. A nifty trick is to bend your sponge and put the product right across the bridge of your nose. It just gets the perfect application really fast and really quickly, especially with powder. Then I'm just going to dust off all of the excess with a brush. Going into my Kat Von D Beauty Pastel Goth palette, and with the color Doom, I'm going to start to contour my face, my cheekbones, my forehead, and on my jawline. This is going to add some more dimension to our face. Going into my Alice Through the Looking Glass palette by Decay, I'm going to use Bandersnatch, which is a darker matte blue, to just deepen my contour and help make the features more prominent. I realized that the shadow I was using was not as dark as I thought it would be and needed some more shadow. I'm going to bring Kat Von D's Doom back down my nose to start to contour it. I'm going to bring that shadow also into my eye look now, putting it all over my lid and starting to create a transition color above my eyebrow, treating my eyebrow as a sort of template for how the circular shadow around the eyes is going to go. Going back into Bandersnatch, I'm going to darken it using some windshield wiping motions as well as small little circles. I'm going to create a round circular shape using my eyebrow. I'm going to keep that above the crease and into the brow, leaving my lid free of shadow, and then dragging that color also underneath my lower lash line and into my eye bag area to create some more shadow. I'm going to drag the product found on the inner corner of my eyebrow down my nose as a darker sort of nose contour. I used both pencil and liquid liner for this look just because I was running out of both of them, or they both weren't applying the way I wanted them to. You can use either or. I'm going to trace this on the upper eyelid in that little white space that we left, as well as create one underneath my eyelid and around the tear duct, sort of like an entire circle around the small of my eye. This is going to help create a doe-like effect or a larger eye appearance. Now on to lips. This is where I start getting very out of frame. My mistake. I'm using a deep red sort of mahogany lip liner. I'm tracing my lips, making a very defined and pointed Cupid's bow. I'm also using Kat Von D's Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Damned. I'm going to use the Snazaroo face paint again in black and start tracing out where my stitches are going to go. I extended the first one from maybe a little bit off to my hairline and brought it down towards my eye. I definitely misjudged where it was going, so that was my mistake. I'm also going to use the Snazaroo face paint in white as well to just draw little stitches across where my stitch line is. There is no rhyme or reason. I like going diagonally in different ways, kind of giving it more like a mismatched sort of look, so they're imperfect and kind of quirky. Using Dagger from the Kat Von D Goth palette, which is a matte gray, I'm going to start adding some shadows. This is going to give them a realistic 3D effect. I'm going to apply some mascara, that way it's easier to blend in my lashes later. And I'm going to use different variations of Bandersnatch and Doom from both palettes to create some shadows on my collarbones, my neck, and so on. Using the same method from my face, I'm going to use the Snazaroo black and white face paints to make my stitches, as well as using the Dagger shadow from Pastel Goth to create the shadows. I wanted some really pretty wispy lashes, so I'm using some really wispy ones I got from Walmart. These were like $9 in a huge pack. I don't have the name of them, but any sort of wispy will do. Even the Ardell's are really nice. These ones are really long and stitch-like, so I thought they fit perfectly. The next lashes are the Quo lashes. I believe they're in the style Flirty or Flirt or something. They're really, really pretty as well. I'm putting those on the darker half of our new makeshift eyelid, bottom waterline lid. And that's the finished look. Thought it came out really, really awesome. The dress is from Hot Topic and the wig is from Spirit Halloween. But anyway, I hope you like it and stay tuned for more. Thanks.